Hello traders, and welcome to NOFT's weekly trade highlight. In a moment, you'll see us recreate one of the best trades of the week with NOFT's order flow and market profiling tools, along with detailed trade commentary and NOFT trade tactics. Our weekly trade highlight is brought to you by our head trader Troy Epperson, who, in between assisting traders and taking the next step in their careers, provides weekly and daily guidance in our live trading room every single day. Before we get into this week's highlighted trade, we need to remind you that trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is just provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade future stocks, options, or forex. From everyone here at NOFT, good hunting out there and happy trading. Here's Troy. Hello traders, I'm stepping in here for Troy this week. So the trade we're going to go ahead and highlight happened on Monday the 29th, January 29th, and it's going to be right after the market opens, so right there at this high here. So let's go ahead and jump into the order flow chart here. All right, so here's the signal that we got right after the market opened. As you can see, the market opened here at 9:30 in New York time. And as we were moving higher, we kept getting these sell imbalances at the top of the market. A little bit of price rejection here, but you got a sell imbalance here. And then you see this blue line right through here. This is called a volume rejection level. This is this blue level right here. This is a low volume area identified by our head trader Troy. Once he moves a level on his chart with our tools, you'll be able to see that reflected right there on your chart within a couple of seconds. So pretty neat. So you see the trainer level right through here, and as price is moving up, you're starting to see sellers, this red number, start to get more and more aggressive. So we saw a little bit of price rejection here, came into that level again, got a little bit more price rejection, sell imbalance, start to see the volume on the buy side start to come off here a little bit. Went ahead and waited for the close of this candle, ended up getting filled right here. Right away, trade's working in our favor, up a few ticks. You can really see the sellers really taking control. It's these red numbers here once again. These red blocks indicate that when price is moving up, that buyers are coming out, and these green blocks is when price is moving down, sellers are coming out. So these are reversal signals here in the market. So again, seeing sellers really getting aggressive here in this market, kind of a wild ride here, and started to move against us pretty quickly. But as you can see, you had a block of buyers coming in. But this gray block here, this is the COT positioning. So this is where the most volume took place within this bar. So it's positioned at the top of this bar, indicating that one, we have sellers here, and two, that a lot of the volume, traders could certainly be caught here. And you see this yellow block here indicating trapped buyers at the top of the market. So people are heavily getting long, a little bit late to the game here, but they're heavily getting long and coming into this market towards the top of this candle. And you can see that 747 buyers right there at the top. High COT positioning, sell imbalance here. So we would expect a rotation and a continuation of this move down. Wait the next bar, and just worked out beautifully here. A lot of sellers coming in here. This is actually an exhaustion bar is what we call it when we have 5 or more sell imbalances coming into the market, these red numbers coming into the market. This is an exhaustion bar type of bar. We came down into our next low volume area, our next trainer level, and we started to get a little bit of rejection through here. Held on to this just a little bit longer, and after this pushed through, and we started to see the low COT right here, indicating a possible reversal in the market. Sellers starting to come out of the market here as well, and a buyer starting to get aggressive at the bottom of the market. Went ahead and actually covered right in here. There were a couple of our traders that actually ended up holding this through here, and as you can see, this next bar indicated that the COT is high, that buyers are actually coming out of the market. You can see through our volume profile. We typically take trades that are outside of value, this blue area here. All right, so when it is above value, we're looking for a short. When it's below value, we are looking for a long. And as you can see, this trade was certainly below value. Saw buyers coming into this market. But again, a couple traders. This is the POC, which is the highest volume point during the day so far. Traded right back into this POC, and a couple of our traders ended up still holding that trade just because buyers were coming out of this trade, and they made a few more ticks on this trade. As you can see, trade started going down once again, and we saw a really nice sequential decline here. And we see what the sequential decline is. You start with 1,900 orders here, and it goes down to 1500, 367, and 46. So you're getting a decline of sellers here in the market. A beautiful buy stack, which is a concerted effort for buyers getting aggressive here in the market. And you can start seeing the market move the other way. That's what we do here at NOFT. We're just trying to track aggressive behavior of where the buyers are coming in or where the sellers are coming into the market to properly position our trade. Trade location is absolutely important. You want to be above or below value to go ahead and execute these trades. And then you want to see buyer aggression in this case or seller aggression at the beginning of our trade. So this is a great trade to start the week. It was certainly our trade of the week. Came right to one of our trainer levels and was a pretty easy trade to follow when you're just looking at the sellers here in this market. So I hope you found that helpful. Please visit us at noft-traders.com. And until next time, good hunting out there and happy trading.